Center tracking a system that's down along the Gulf Coast right now. There's a severe thunderstorm watch, as you can see in the orange shaded area. A lot of thunderstorms. We've had severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings early this morning with this. You see the big H sitting over North Carolina.
Before the rain sets in, I need to know I've done all a man can and gone as far as I can go. This land and all it's asking me to do, it hurts my hands and my back, and is hurting me and you. Oh, darling, sometimes I feel so wrong when I'm asking for you to keep holding on. But oh, darling, won't you hold on? The world's creeping in, the land they pave if we could save and grow again. And I can't pretend that it don't scare me thinking where we might end. And it's probably only in my mind. It seems like everybody's watching to see if I'll die trying. Oh, darling, on a road so long, how can I ask of you to stay so strong? But oh, darling, can you hold on? When I step in and close the screen door behind me, will I see you then? And your loving arms find me? And will the rain fall on our roof be the song we dance to, as we love and laugh the way that we don't get a chance to? Before the rain sets in,